Before starting this topic, let me ask you two questions. Do you remember how you celebrated the New Year? Second, are you making any list of things you will or will not do during the following year? Let us first read this cartoon. As you can see in this cartoon, here are four people. Two are nomads and two people are just like us. Let us see what these two people like us are saying to these nomadic people. You should celebrate the New Year having a gathering, dance, cook, eat and enjoy. And in second picture you can see they have started enjoying by making the people's meal. Guess what? They have a New Year party. Now let us read the second cartoon, My New Year Resolution. You can see here two boys. In first picture you can see they are shaking their hands and saying, "Brother, I promise we won't fight any." In second, as soon as he said, he slapped him and said, "It's just that I feel it's a very silly idea." On New Year, people make New Year resolutions. Let us see what is the meaning of resolutions. A list of things they will or will not do during the following year. Now let us read one poem by Robert Fisher where the child or the poet himself is making many resolutions. Let us see whether he follow it or not. My New Year resolution by Robert Fisher. I will not throw the cat out of the window or put a frog in my sister's bed. I will not tie my brother's shoelaces together nor jump from the roof of dad's shed. I shall remember my aunt's next birthday and tidy my room once a week. I will not mourn at mum's cooking, yet fish fingers again, nor give her any more of my cheek. I will not pick my nose if I can help it. I shall fold up my clothes, comb my hair. I will say please and thank you even when I don't mean it, and never spit or shout or even swear. I shall write each day in my diary. Try my hardest to be helpful at school. I shall help old ladies cross roads even if they don't want to. And when others are rude, I will stay cool. I will go to bed with the owls and be up with the larks and close every door behind me. I shall squeeze from the bottom of every toothpaste tube and stay where trouble can't find me. I shall start again, turn over a new leaf, leave my bad old ways forever. Shall I start them this year or next year? Shall I sometime or? Now let us see this poem in detail. A boy is a speaker and he is speaking about his New Year resolution. His name is Robert Fisher. He is very naughty and rude. He says this year he will not throw cat out of window nor put frog in his sister's bed, nor even he will tie shoelace together of his brother and jump from the roof. He will remember his aunt's birthday. He will clean his room once a week and will eat fish fingers without complaining. Never he will pick his nose. He will fold his clothes, comb his hair and will say thank you and please. And also he will not spit or shout or even swear. Further he says he will write each day in his diary. He will help others in school. Also, he will help ladies to cross road even if they don't want to, and remain cool if others are rude to him. He will go early to bed and rise early. He will use the full toothpaste tube and begin a new life, leaving all his bad habits. But he thinks for a while and says, shall he start to follow it, all good habits, this year or next year or sometime in future? The poet makes many resolutions to be a good boy and to follow good habits. But again he rethinks that shall he start this year or next year or shall sometime in future. Hope students you have understood this poem well. Let us quickly recapitulate the poem. A boy is speaking about his New Year's resolutions. His name is Robert Fisher. He has got a brother and sister and he lives with his parents. He doesn't like eating fish fingers and he doesn't like tidying his room. He hates combing his hair and getting up early. He enjoys putting a frog in his sister's bed and he likes jumping from the roof of his dad's shed. He likes picking his nose and spitting. He loves playing tricks on his brothers and sisters. But he decides to be a good boy and he thinks, shall he start this year or next year or sometime in future? Based on today's topic, here is a short assignment for you all. Enjoy your day, students, and thank you.